Alright, let's get it. Remember, turn signals are getting installed today. And finally got it. Got it last night. So the fog lights are gonna get installed today. They just look exactly like the low beams and the high beams. So let me take this out here from the package. Exactly just like the oh crap, it fell down. Woo! Damn, caught it. So yeah, exactly just like the low beams and the high beams. Plug and play, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm not gonna do like a crazy full-on tutorial install, but I mean I will show you guys a couple of my steps when I gotta pop off the two those black C clips at the bottom at the and then I'm not gonna jack up the car or anything. I'm just gonna work on the ground the way it is, and so I'm still on stock suspension, so it's not lowered, and that's it. And then take it out for a ride tonight on all the lights being put on. So stay tuned, guys. What's up? Let's get it. So you guys can see I got the fog light here taken off. Now remember, this was the one I replaced a couple months back. So you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, maybe you guys can see it under here. Yeah. So a lot of stuff. So you can see, yep, what's under here. So I'm on the driver's side, so working this side right now. Just working on the fog light right now, and then after that I'm gonna work on the turn signal. But like I said, it's not gonna be a full install video. It's just showing you guys just a couple steps here and there. So I wish you guys a finished product when I'm done, and I am gonna showcase when it's nighttime, all the lights on. So it's gonna be like I think it's gonna be like a super white. So that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. All right. So I'm finally done in installing the turn signals and turn signals in the fog lights. So if you do decide to get the fog lights, make sure when you put it in, that it lines up properly, because there's three little rivets, or I guess you could say three those three little the sides that point out where you have to connect in, and then turn them counterclockwise. Yeah, you're turning them counterclockwise when you put them back in, but when you take them out, it's clockwise. So that's just a quick tip, just in case if you're having issues trying to put the fog lights in. I had an issue with it. It wasn't a quick 15-minute installation. It turned to like almost an hour. So other than that, that is pretty much it for today. Like I said, tonight I will do a little night drive and then showcase the lights at night with the full headlights, fog lights, and how turn signals on. Another thing I'm gonna get for the turn signals is probably the flasher relay, because the fronts they flash like twice as fast as the factory light bulbs do. So that's something that I don't know. I'm gonna ask Nick about it, because I know some people were talking about that too. So replace the flash relay on that one, and then look at the tail light bulbs where the reverse and the turn signals at, and switch those out too for the dial dynamics as well. And be ready. I'm gonna get ready for more parts for this guy. Like I said, I'm gonna showcase you guys exactly how I'm gonna get this thing turned out for next year's summer. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Have a great Monday. Don't work too hard. Have fun. That's it. Happy December. All right. they are definitely brighter. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the fog lights and turn signals. So I'm gonna turn on the hazard lights right now, and we show you that how bright they are. I want to make sure you guys get a good look at this.